One app is equal to $17. Install apps and get paid $1,337 a day. Make money online earning app. You can install PayPal app and get paid $15. You can install Cash App and earn $20. Install another random app and get paid $30, and so on and so forth. And you can install gaming apps, social media apps, earning apps, or any other apps that you want to. And every time you install these apps that I'm telling you, you will get paid up to $30 per app you install. And you can make over $1,000 a day if you use all the 5 websites shown in this video and if you stay till the end of the video. I will also give you a bonus website to earn 10 times more than others. All you need is a smartphone device with an internet connection, which means this can be done from anywhere in the world and in pretty much all countries. Now, I'm going to go from the lowest paying website to the highest paying one. So, the first website or the first app that we're going to be talking about is called appkarma.io. Okay, this is the first website we're talking about. Now, the reason I'm talking about App Karma is because App Karma is already searched on Google Play Store a lot, and you can just search for App Karma on your Google Play Store and App Store, and you can try to find this type of logo. Okay, and then you can see it says earn rewards playing with apps. It's absolutely free. And once you do that, you can go inside the dashboard of this app. It's going to look exactly like this. You're going to see apps and games, and next to them, you will see exactly how many points you will earn on installing the specific app. So all you have to do is sign up with this absolutely free app, install it, and create a brand new account in where you will have a list of all these apps and games which you can download and, just start playing and using and mess around with. And Karma will obviously pay you different types of points. For example, for this one app, you're going to be getting around 1161 points. And obviously, the more points you get, the more money you keep on compiling up. Obviously, 1 point is not equal to $1 because that would be a crazy amount of money. So, yeah, you're just going to make points. And then here on the right hand side, as you can see, 12,500 points lead to you getting $10 on PayPal. 27,500 points give you $25 on PayPal. So just keep grinding points, and that should set you up. Now, moving on, what you can also do is you can cash in your earnings pretty simply, and like in an hour, you can make around, I'd say, around $100 using this app. Now, why is that? Because, these things, you're just gonna need to download the app. Like, you don't even need to use them too much. Maybe it has 2 minutes of use time, 2 minutes of runtime. But yeah, you're simply just going to download the app mainly and then just get into the, credit related stuff. So yeah, now before we move on into the other applications, let's talk about the other features. So the next application that we are going to be talking about is a pretty incredible one, okay? And it's one of my personal favorites. It's called Ysense, okay? So we're gonna come over to Ysense.com, and once you come to Ysense.com, you can download this app from the main Play Store as well. Now down here, you can see it says paid surveys earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. And you have cash offers where you can get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and a lot more. And then finally, referrals, where you can share Ysense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. You will earn up to 30% of what your referrals make and a whole lot more. So, you can earn extra cash for yourself, where Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options, and you can absolutely join this immediately so you can start getting your credits straight away. And you can also become an affiliate or just get into the main surveys. As you can see, you're just going to need to sign up with the main program that they have, and once you do that, you can also see all the other apps that work with this incredible software. Okay. So you have Dynata, Toluna, you have at Gape Media, Offertoro, Top Research, Pollfish, Sample Cube, Opinion Surveys, AdSend Media, and a whole lot more. So, it gives you a good general idea of how trusted this app actually is and how well it actually works with all the types of, workings that we want to get into. So yeah, that's Ysense, and it's great for your referral systems, and I would definitely tell you to use it. And there's also the affiliates plan, which also brings you up to, $300 of monthly pays. So yeah, pretty much that's the general output of it. Now, Moving on, let's talk about number 3. Okay, it's called Get Paid To. Okay, Get Paid To. You can earn money online from home. Okay, so here we are. Earn money every time you go online. Earn GPT points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, and watching videos, and a whole lot more. Okay, and you can join again, it's totally free. You can join right now, right this instant. Now, Get Paid To is absolutely incredible for when it comes to passive incomes because look at all these things you can do. First of all, you can fill in surveys, okay? Get paid for your opinions. Then you have games. You can earn by playing games. So, you know, let's say you want to play Candy Crush or some game that they tell you you can play right now. Give them the runtime, the playtime, and you're going to get that. Then you have quick points where you can get quick tasks for easy points. Again, pretty incredible. Then you have offer walls. You can complete online offers for yourself. Again, a pretty incredible thing that you can do to make good money for yourself. So you get a pretty good general idea of how all these things work, and you can actually earn the points right now by start answering and doing. So how does it work? You're gonna do your tasks, fill in the surveys, watch videos, play games, whatever you do. Then it says earn points. So every 5,000 points, you're gonna get $1, and then you're finally gonna get paid. So redeem your points from cash, cryptocurrencies, or gift cards. And here are the type of games that they make you play. So you have, Knife Smash, Candy Mahjong, Sweet Shuffle, Klondike Solitaire, Block Champ, etc. And they also give you high-paying surveys. So you have your surveys, InBrain AI, Theorem Reach, and then they have great offer walls as well, great places for quick points, and a whole lot more. So, it gives you a pretty good idea of all the places and apps that you have to, access and work with to get along with the whole money making scheme. Now, moving on, let's talk about Prize Rebel. Now, this is another great money making app, okay? Prize Rebel, really great for surveys, really great for making surveys and all. And it's an absolutely top working app. You can take paid surveys, earn points for yourself, and get free PayPal, cash, Bitcoins, and gift cards. Okay, this is the same. Just sign up, do surveys, earn, and for like I guess every same thing, every 5,000 surveys, you get a few dollars. But still, it's pretty incredible. The number one survey reward site. It has around 14.4 million members, and $29 million in rewards have been given to these people. So, pretty incredible. And it gives you a really nice, you could say, profit phenomena. Now, finally, if we are to talk about one more app, okay, we're going to talk about Feature Points. Okay, Feature Points is the last app that I'm going to be talking about because Feature Points is actually a game changer. It is on the top of this list because Feature Point actually makes you a lot of money, gives you a lot of rewards, and can actually flip your life when it comes to working from home. So yeah, these are the apps that you're gonna want to use to make money by sitting at home online. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll make more for you. But that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.